And now the Congress's alliance trouble with the Trinamool in West Bengal is expected to end today, with the TMC chief Mamata Banerjee's deadline to the Congress coming to an end today. The Congress also expected to make a statement. We have Shomit Pal joining us live from Kolkata for more on the story. Shomit, what really have you heard so far as the Congress is concerned and their expected response to the TMC?
All eyes will be on the meeting with Congress leaders and Sonia Gandhi probably in the afternoon. In fact, what we're getting to know that the Congress leaders are unhappy with Mamata Banerjee's offer of 64 seats. So they have already prepared a list of candidates of 98 seats at this moment, and they will be meeting the Congress president. So all eyes will be on Sonia Gandhi, whether she opens up new ways of negotiations with Mamata Banerjee, or she okays the list of Congress candidates in West Bengal, and if Congress and TMC head for a friendly battle in West Bengal or not. So all eyes will be on Sonia Gandhi, but Mamata Banerjee had hinted that she will come out with her list of candidates for rest 64 seats, which she had kept for Congress by today afternoon. But in all probability, Mamata Banerjee is going to give some time to Congress, and probably she will come out with her manifesto today. But in all probability, the sources are telling us that the Congress and TMC may head for a friendly battle against each other in the upcoming assembly elections, because there are contentious issues over the seats and the quality of seats, as well as nobody is hoping that Mamata will increase the number of seats at this moment.
All right, Shomit Paul, do stay on with us. I believe we have some more breaking news just coming in. Sources now telling your channel that the Congress Central Election Committee will be meeting today at 5 p.m. at 10 Janpath, and that the Congress chief, who is now back in town, is expected to take a final decision as far as seat sharing with the TMC is concerned. We have Nandita joining us on the phone line. Nandita, the Congress has admittedly been on the back foot after the TMC chief went ahead and announced a list of candidates for the West Bengal polls. What really is the Congress chief's stance expected to be?
Well, we understand that the political managers within the Congress have been trying to reach out to the TMC, and talks have, been continuing, but they didn't really conclude in a way so as to be able to announce a pre-poll alliance in time. And now, of course, Mamata Banerjee just 2 days back going ahead and announcing her entire candidate list, leaving just about 64 seats for the Congress. But the Congress hasn't really shut the book on the TMC right now. What we understand is that today, some sort of overture is expected to be made, perhaps by the Congress president herself. There could be some sort of communication with Mamata Banerjee, and we understand that she is back over the weekend from her tour, and 5 p.m. today is when the Central Election Committee of the Congress is meeting, in which some sort of decision has to be taken. So there could be movement, some overture to the TMC before that in the daytime.
All right, Nandita, thanks very much for joining us with all those details.